Hi, I'm Dr. Carine of purelyintegrative.com. Today we're going to talk about what's in my medicine cabinet at home and what things that you might want to have in your medicine cabinet too. So we've got lots of products that are available, and each of the things we're going to talk about today we have full videos on. So I'm going to go over these kind of quickly just so you get an idea of what things I think are really essential to everyone's medicine cabinet. First of all, we have a lot of diseases in America that are common amongst developed industrialized countries. They're mostly related to our immune system, like autoimmune disease, allergy, asthma, and as we pore over that research of why do modern countries have these consistent problems, there are three things that come to the top that are very obvious. I call them the correction for the American diet. The first of all is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are difficult to get in our modern diet because we don't let our animals graze on grass in their natural environment. And when you do that, your meat and your milks become deficient in omega-3. So even if you're eating a pretty healthy diet, it's really difficult to get it without supplementation. The next one is probiotics. Probiotics are those good bacteria that live in our bowels, and as we made our food safer from infections by sterilizing it and packaging it and making it safe for mass consumption, we also lost all those beneficial bacteria that are available in our foods. So that's how probiotics come to be so important within our bodies. The last is vitamin D. You know, vitamin D is manufactured in our skin. It's not really occurring in food, and even when it is occurring in food, it's usually because we've supplemented it back. Vitamin D is difficult for us in America because we wear clothes and we stay inside, so we can't really get it through our dietary sources. These are the three things that I say to people. If you live in America and you want to know what the most data is on how to keep your immune system strong, it's omega-3 fatty acids, probiotics, and vitamin D. So I have a couple other products I always keep in the house, and I'm going to go over a few of those and what we use them for. They're all very different, and we have videos on each of them to discuss it. But the first one is curcumin. So curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, the spice. And we have lots of benefits to curcumin in our research. One of them is with mental clarity and anxiety. We also use it a lot for things like arthritis and chronic pain because it reduces inflammation. And we even have research to show that it helps prevent Alzheimer's, which of course we would all like to do. The next one is elderberry. Elderberry has lots of research about helping with viral infections. So we use elderberry when we think we're fighting a cold, or maybe we're going to be exposed to a cold at a family event. We all know you go to a family event, inevitably there's cousins or nieces and nephews that are sick and everyone comes home sick. So elderberry is one of those things we travel with as well. We have lots of things within our immune system product line that we can help you with, but elderberry is one that we keep around all the time. The next one is B vitamins. Some people take B vitamins every day for things like attention and anxiety and mental clarity, and then some people use them as needed when they didn't sleep enough, or maybe they are a little under the weather, or they're a little bit more stressed than usual, because B vitamins work quickly to help us pay attention and be alert. So they're nice to have around in your medicine cabinet, either on a daily basis or maybe just as needed. The last one on here is melatonin. We're traveling for the holiday seasons, or maybe you're even staying home, but we all know it's hard sometimes to get kids to sleep in different environments. Melatonin helps your kids if they're off schedule, or they're traveling, or they're away from home in a different bed, because you know what, when they don't sleep at night, that next day for that family event, your kid's gonna be grouchy. We all know that. So when we travel, we take melatonin everywhere we go. Super important for having well-rested kids. Each of these products, we have more complete videos at purelyintegrative.com to explain why we use them and how we use them. And we also have a wide range of products that we've hand-selected to help you figure out which one's best for your kid. We've got capsules and chewables and gummies and powders, and our staff will help you figure out which one your kid would like the best, because the best product is the one that you actually take. Thanks, and contact us at purelyintegrative.com.